it's Deb here with Creative Life. Welcome to my crafty channel today, and thank you all for the love and support that you show me every time. You guys are awesome, and I am so glad that you are here and part of my crafty family. So today's project is going to be a Father's Day tag that we're going to just mount on top of a little card. Masculine tags we haven't done in a long time, and so it's really easy for us to always make Mother's Day cards and birthday cards for all of our female crafty friends and family members. But masculine cards are one of those things that is so hard for us to do sometimes. And so I thought I would go ahead and just make a simple tag. Sometimes it's nice to start off small because a card can sometimes feel overwhelming. It's because it's larger, between 4.5 by 5 or it can be 6 by 6. So sometimes you have a bigger canvas area to work with rather than just a tiny little tag. So I thought we would do a couple of them. And so what I did was I went ahead and took just some chipboard from my stash that I had from making chipboard albums and such. So I keep all of those little scraps that are bigger than like between 3 to 5 inches and taller, so that way if I need to make a small tag I can do that. And that's what this one is. I think it's about 2, maybe 2.5 to 3. Yeah, it's like 2.25 actually, so it is a little bit smaller tag. But you can cut those little pieces into tags and then cover them with your paper. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And I'm going to be using some of the paper that I got over at QueenACraft. And that paper collection is called Sweet Dream. And so I picked out a couple of sheets that I thought were sort of in a masculine tone, or that you could definitely put on some vintage inks, and use those along with some of the little tags that I got from their shop. And I love these because these are little vintage tags that you can just mount and layer on top of one another. You can distress these and just make something really super cute with these. So I pulled out a couple of these, and we're going to be using these for our tag. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward through some of this and explain to you if you know what I'm doing, or you can just watch and see what I'm doing. Okay, and I'll play some music as always. So thank you guys so much, and let's go ahead and get started. anyways, you all, so I'm done with my little tag here, and I think it turned out pretty cute. So what I'm going to do now is I just went ahead and cut an 8.5, or yeah, an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper at 5.5. Okay, so we cut it 5.5, and you go ahead and you score it at 4.25. Okay, and that gives you your A2 size card to place in an envelope. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and I'm going to put some paper on here, and then we're going to attach our little tag, and we're just about done. Card. So there is that. How cute. I didn't do the inside yet. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of ink this lightly around here. I want to kind of get it just a little bit more brown in through there, just to give it more like a vintagey look. So I'm just kind of dusting around my little items here. Okay, so there we go. So there we go. So I think that looks so pretty. And so that is made with these little pieces right here, and then I just used a couple of different metal pieces from my stash. I used this little watch, I cut it out. But everything else is from the QueenACraft store. I will have the links down below for this little card. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and make one more tag, and then that is it. So I will be right back. Okay, y'all, so next our other little tag here. So for the next tag, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to use these pieces here. Now I'm going to cut the middle piece out of this, and to do that, I'm just going to go ahead and fold this over, okay, and just kind of cut inside here, just like that. Alrighty, and then that gives me a little opening spot to kind of cut in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick, and then I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so for our tag, you're going to go ahead and place your double back tape on the front and back of your tag, and then cover the front and back with paper. there is our little tag, you guys, and this would be super cute to just go ahead and put to and from on here, and then you could definitely add this to your little package present or tie it onto a little gift bag or whatever. If you wanted, you could even add a little pocket back here for a little gift card. How cute is that, right? Oh my gosh, you could even just go ahead and do like we did with this one and just stick this on top of a card. So how cute would that be? So anyway, I hope that these two projects brought you some inspiration today. So down below I will have the links to everything, and then go ahead and click in the left hand box right here, and there are some other projects for you made with QueenACraft products. And then on the right hand side right over here I have my little happy face, and you can click on that and you can subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to click the little bell for notifications on upcoming events and for upcoming videos. Thank you all. Y'all have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Happy crafting. Bye.